Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can insert the diagram in your Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our presentations in a Google Slides, and after that, simply we need to go to the insert section. So let's click on the insert. And after clicking on the insert section, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the diagrams option. So let's click on the diagram. And now we have to choose the grid, hierarchy, which type of diagram you want to add. For example, I want the diagram of the relationship. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see now the different types of diagram will be here. Now you have to choose that this diagram you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so we have to click on this. As you can see now the diagram is here. Now you can edit this and adjust this according to your need. For example, I want the different one here, so let's go to the insert again, and now let's go to the diagram. And for example, I want in the this one, so let's click on this. And now for example, I want this one, let's choose this. So as you can see the diagram is here. Now you can edit the text and you can also arrange them in your own way. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can insert your diagrams in a Google Slides, which is very easy. So see you guys in the next video.